question given is if 15% of a plus b is equals to 25% of a minus b. So we have to find out what percentage of b is equal to a, right? So now we have to find out what is the percentage of b is equal to a, right? So whenever you are being given such question in an exam, so don't write the question again. Okay, it will waste your time. Okay, now directly from the question you do. So here cancel the percentage, right? It will go in 5 table, 5 3s are 5 5s are. Now multiply 3 with these two. That means 3a plus 3b is equals to 5a minus 5b, right? So after simplifying, what you will get? So you will get 2a, and again this 5b will comes to the left hand side. So 5 plus 3 is 8b, right? Now what is the question asked? What percentage of b? What percentage of b is equal to a, right? So now 2 is how many times greater, how many times more to get a? That means if you multiply it with 4, you will get 8. That means 400% is the answer. Got it? Now, what is 20% of 25% of 300? So you can write it as 20% of 25% of 300, right? So you can do it in two ways, right? So 20 by 100, if you remove percentage, you will get 2500. 25 by 100 into 300, right? 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancel, 1 0, 1 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are, 5 1s are 5 5s are, 5 into 3, 50. So D is the correct answer. Now, if you see 18% of which number is equals to 12% of 75. 18% of which number I am putting it as X is equal to 12% of 75, right? If this 75 tends to 100%, so 10% is how much? 7.5. 2% is how much? 0.75 into 2. Now how much you will get? 1.5. Total 9. That means 18% of X is equals to 9. X is equals to 9 into 100 by 18. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 2 cancel 50. So X is equals to 50. 50 is the correct answer, right? So any question is being given, make it very simple and solve it in just 30 seconds. Okay.